Here's our vending machine. First we insert the coins into the coin sorting bank. And it registers through them when they go through their respective sized holes, and the beam interrupts capture that they've gone through, cause an interrupt, and add to the total amount inserted, which we have displayed on the LCD character display. Here we put in a quarter, dime, and nickel for 40 cents. Our products are in these PVC tubes, so they both cost more than what's been inserted. So if we try to purchase one on the Nintendo controller, it will display inadequate funds. If we then insert some more coins, then we have some more cash. Now it took away the inadequate funds message, and if we try to purchase by pressing A up, it reduces by 50 cents and dispenses one product. And if we try to buy the other one, it reduces by 75 cents and dispenses one of those products.